Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Pinterest, we click on settings. In this page, you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. And in the end, you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.